Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to turn off zone notification on Fitbit charge 6. So let's get started with this straightforward guide. So the first thing to do, which is the first step, is to open the Fitbit app. Then to open it, you have to launch the Fitbit app on your iPhone or your Android device. Then ensure your chassis is connected and synced together. Then on step 2, you have to tap on your profile icon. So to do this, tap your profile icon or the profile picture in the top left corner and select your chassis from the list of connected devices. Then on step 3, you have to go to the heart rate settings. So to go there, you have to scroll down and tap on heart rate zone or heart rate settings. So from there, if you see a toggle for zone notification, switch it off. Then on the step 4, you can now sync to apply changes. So make sure your changes are sync on your chassis, and that's how you can simply turn off zone notification on Fitbit chassis.